How to permanently remove Reels from Facebook feed. So in the video today, I'll show you how you can actually permanently remove Reels from your Facebook feed. So let's go ahead and get into how you can do that. So firstly, you can see I'm currently on my Facebook page. Now, as you can see, Reels has its own dedicated section here on Facebook. Now, if I were to click on a Reel, let's say I want to go ahead and get rid of that Reel permanently. All I'd have to do is go ahead and click the three dots at the bottom right hand corner. Now, once I go ahead and click it, it should come up with a few options. Now here, you have the option to see less Reels, or you have the option to hide the Reel. Now here you can actually hide the Reel, but you can see that it still shows Reels. So if you want to go ahead and permanently remove Reels from your Facebook feed, all you have to do is this easy step process. Now head over to the menu here. Now once you've done that, head all the way down and click Help and Support. Now, once you've done that, click Report a Problem. Now, it's going to ask you if you want to shake your phone to report the problem. You can actually go ahead and do that, but I'll just go ahead and click Continue to Report. Here, it's going to ask if you want to include the complete logs and diagnostics. You can go ahead and do that, as that does help Facebook further fix the problems you actually have. So, I'm not going to include for the video today, but once you've done that, it's going to ask you to choose a feature. Now, make your way down to Feed. Here, you can actually go ahead and report a problem under Feed, and all you want to go ahead and say is I want Reels removed permanently from my account. Please help me, Facebook, fix this problem. Please, and thank you for the support. Now, if you send them a message like this, so go ahead and diagnose your problem, and usually they will get back to you within a day or two. Now, sometimes it does take a little bit longer, but that is not, usual. So usually 1 to 2 days is the adequate time period to actually go ahead and receive feedback from Facebook. So go ahead and send the problem. They'll go ahead and get back to you with your problem and diagnose it, and they'll go ahead and remove Reels permanently from your Facebook account. So if you found the video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe, and leave a comment down below on how this actually helped you out. With that being said, hopefully you guys have an awesome day, and I'll see you until next time.